Hi, AI Game Changer. So, over the last few episodes of this series, AI in Action for Augmented Business Impact, we've explored how AI can help you activate your strategy into better projects, design augmented customer value, attract their attention, and perform for agile growth. But here is a multiplier. Team up. What do I mean by team up? How can you collaborate better with the AI as one team? Because everything we've covered so far becomes exponential when you and your team know how to think with AI, how to partner with AI. And let's be honest, most teams today still work like it's 2015. Too many meetings, too many emails, running after everything, and AI sitting on the sidelines, underused, misunderstood, or reduced to just tools or shortcuts. Sounds familiar? So, AI, in fact, isn't just an individual productivity boost. When used well, it becomes a team performance amplifier. And that's exactly why I created the Team S.P.I.C.E.S booster, a practical way to transform how your team thinks, creates, and executes with AI. Let me show you this way forward into detail. So the Team S.P.I.C.E.S booster is about spicing up your game. So S.P.I.C.E.S, S for smart teamwork with AI, is about shifting how teams collaborate, blending human strength with AI support. P for prompt master techniques, because it's a critical strategic skill to make the difference. So this module is about training you and your team to ask the right questions, to structure the effective prompts, to get high quality outputs, and not only that, but to have real two-way conversations with the AI. Because sometimes it's you leading the AI, sometimes it's the AI leading, challenging, questioning, coaching you. So, prompt master techniques is super important, and that's why I've created a sub-module, a sub-framework, which is the AI Spices Grinder. So the AI Spicing Grinder is a very logical way forward that encapsulates about 25 master prompt techniques that you need to know to make a real difference. Because it's not about using long lists of prompts to do things. It's very much about learning the techniques, like learning the grammar when you go for a new language. So the AI Spices Grinder stands for augmented output, how to amplify and shape AI outputs for more impact. Input semantics, how to phrase and structure inputs effectively so that the LLM understands your intentions better to produce better outputs. Spot and fix errors. So here it's about techniques to debug failures, to debug hallucinations that you find in large language models, and to iterate, refine AI responses. Partner with the AI is about the workflows of the discussions, the role plays, and prompt chain, the sequences of thinking with the AI. Context control is very important to make what you're given very specific to your business case. So here it's some techniques to train the LLM to be more effective on your business context. And not only that, you need also to elevate the game with data. So here in this module, it's about learning how to have conversations around data using large language models like ChatGPT, and that's amazing all you can do around data. And last but not least, when you master these first steps, then it's time to systemize your workflows, your discussions, and that's where you learn to build agents to design reusable multi-step workflows, and where you build agents that are experts in specific tasks. And not only that, you can then assemble a virtual team of agents that will work together with your physical team. So to see an example of that, visit my website, AIGamechanger.com, and so you will see the kind of team of virtual agents I've built for specific tasks along the Adapt-and-Fly system. So getting back to the AI team S.P.I.C.E.S booster, the next letter I is the first usage. One of the usages of AI is ideation. So here it's about learning how to spark creativity, test hypotheses, and explore solutions beyond the obvious. Another usage of AI is communication with AI. How can you sharpen internal and external communication, prepare meetings, summarize discussions, follow up, align messages? And efficiency, E of efficiency with AI tools. So here you will see in LinkedIn and other channels, many people communicating around that. And so efficiency with AI tools, the difficulty here is that the landscape of tools is very large. So to solve that issue, I've categorized the main usage of tools in productive categories. So I've mapped the most efficient tools, and I've organized in these productive categories, where P stands for project and task management tools, R for relationship management like CRM, O for optimization analytics, and so on. I won't detail everything. But so I've done the work for you of mapping the most efficient tools you can find out there. And last but not least, S in Team S.P.I.C.E.S booster, the S for strategic thinking with AI. How can you simulate outcome, map scenarios, support decision making with data-backed insight? So, when teams embed AI into how they collaborate, everything we've covered in this series, from strategic traction to value creations, gets amplified. So this wraps up the second series, AI in Action, with the 5 levels of the Adapt-and-Fly system. So if these ideas sparked something and you're ready to align your leadership, your team, and your execution with AI, let's talk. And in my next content and videos, we'll go into even more details. So I'll see you there. And so stay tuned. And if you're ready to lead with AI, let's connect. Talk soon. Bye-bye.